Ndugamano ya kiuteti gatagati ka mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga na munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Dr William Ruto ni iyumiririe ringi king'ang'a-ini thutha wa area ya guikaniria miario hindi igongona ria gukunguira njamba cia wiyathi na riria ritabaneirio kaunti-ini ya Kisii. Kuringana na Raila, umuthi uma muthenya mwega kwanirira gucokereria kwa micemanio ya BBI neria yarugamirio kwa ihinda kurumirira kuingira gwa king'uki gia COVID-19 bururi-ini. Makiria kuona guku no kuo micemanio ya BBI yambiriirie mbere ya gutheremio nginyagia kaunti-ini ingĩ.
Lakini sasa half time imekwisha, wachezaji wameshanyoroshwa, wameshapata mafunzo, tena wamepata massaging, sasa wanarudi kwa kiwanja. Your Excellency, wewe mwenyewe ndio utasema hii njia tunataka kufuata sasa kwa kutoka hapa, because nobody can stop reggae.
Kihonia kia ndugamano nene gatagati ka area yakoretwo ari mwerekera uria riboti ino ya BBI itanyitwo kuheana. Ruto hindi ya micemanio yake ya kiuteti akihinyiriria no nginya Akenya othe makuruhanio ndereti-ini o yothe undu umwe na gutariria uregani wake wa riboti ino. Riri Raila akoretwo akihinyiriria riboti ino iri na kihonia kia mathina maingi makoragwo magomeire bururi uyu na makiria hindi ya ithurano.
Reggae was launched here in Kisii Stadium. And we say that you must change direction. For 56 years you have followed one direction, but with not very many results. So we need to look at what else is there which is missing. The project Kenya can move forward as envisioned by the founding fathers of our nation. United, God should bless us. We should dwell in unity, peace and liberty, and plenty should be found within our borders.
I do not wish to say more. My friend, the former Prime Minister, has told us about the reggae, which is fine, but I guess we will have a robust national conversation that will bring everybody on board.
Ni ndugamano na kuri uguo itanyitwo kwihiririo na makiria matuko-ini turorete gatagati ka atongoria yeri na aruna ao. Muno kuona riboti cia gwitikio ihithuritie ati riboti ino ya BBI ya kurekererio kiumia-ini giki thutha wa gukorwo irikitie kuharirio. Kaunti-ini ya Murang'a, ndugamano ici ni ciiyumiririe gatagati ka mubunge Ndindi Nyoro na seneta Irungu Kang'ata thutha wa area ya kuruta mirugamo ngurani ikonainie na riboti ino guku ningi mathingatire mbeũ njithi kwaga kuhuthirwo ru niguo gututhura ngui micemanio-ini.
Hii politics tutaserve for a certain period of time. Mwingine atakuja akalia hizi viti. Na dunia itaendelea tu. Mimi pangu I thank God na wananchi wa Murang'a soa wenye tuko hapa. Kwa mahali tumefika kuanzia hiyo miaka yote nimekuwa in leadership. But I know one day hii kitu I cannot be there forever.
Nikitaka nisihi wanasiasa wenzangu na nisihi every aspiring politician, hawa vijana wa kazi mtaani, and all the youth of Kiharu and Murang'a, these are not stones to be thrown in the political pendulum.
Girifotera Kameme TV, Jitago Maura, Wagunya.